Hello dear students, welcome to another new art topic, that is pen work. As you can see, the picture of a capsicum is here, which is having number of strokes, but all these strokes have been shown with the help of the pen. Yes, it's a pen. You can use an ordinary gel pen also, beta, like black pen you're having, which you're using in your writing work. But here I want to show you some new articles also. It's 0.05 number pen and it's 12 number pen, pencil, eraser, a sheet. So all these things are the things which we require. First of all, what we have to do is, as you can see, I have drawn a circle, and then what I am drawing few lines with the help of the pencil. Now by the time I complete the sketch, you please listen to me carefully what is basically pen work for. Okay, pen work is also one of the technique of the shading, where instead of showing the color tones, instead of showing the different pencil strokes, we are using a pen and we are showing shades with the lines and the darkness and lightness of the pen. Okay, so you can see here that I have drawn mountains and now I am outlining them, drawing them with the help of the pen. It's a simple sketch. What I want to show you here, how you can use those strokes, how you have to mark those strokes. So you can see that I have done the drawing. Now what I am doing is simple lines. This is called hatching. This is one of the shading technique. When we are drawing horizontal lines or lines without crosses, that will be called as hatching. And now I have started crossing them. So it is another technique, that is cross hatching. Okay, I have just changed the direction of the lines, so they are cross hatching. Now I'll show you from here, so that all the lines, see what I am doing is from one point to another point I am moving. But very important beta, I am not making zigzag lines. You got my point? We have to pick the nib of the pen from one point to another, and then again we have to come back. Okay, so this is very important. You have to be very patient in this technique. So you can see the cross hatches. Now I am showing you this simple ordinary pen which you are using in your writing also, black gel pen. I am showing you the effect with this pen also. Similarly, same way I am doing. So you can see that what I have done is similar, same way I have done the hatching and cross hatching. This is not compulsory that these are the only techniques we can use with the pen work. We can do doodling also, we can do stippling also. I'll be sharing those videos also with you, the stippling technique, the doodling technique, with the help of the pens only, to make black and white compositions, right? So here also I'm showing you black and white composition only with the help of black pen. It's very interesting technique, and no more material is required. So you can see that my mountains are ready with the light and shade. The portion which I have left white, it means that there is a snow, and the other portion, it means that there is the reflection or the shadow of the other mountains are there. So our composition of an hilly area is there, which I want to show you. And just with few strokes, see, full scene is ready here. Similarly here, I'm showing few trees also here. These again are the strokes only. And I have shown you in the beginning that capsicum. So you might have observed the strokes there, and I zoomed also from the different angles. The reason was that so that you all can observe the things carefully, the strokes, the line, because the capsicum its shape was different, so according to the shape of the object I have used my lines there. So that is what you have to be very particular about when you have to use a black pen or pen work, when you have to do, right? You can do this in a simple bird drawing also. It's not mandatory that we have to show very huge compositions. You can take simple leaf also. In that also you can start with the practice. Like I have shown you the capsicum, so you can also take any object from your home. So now I have shown the other tree, the tree at the distance, smaller in size. I hope that you are familiar with the term perspective, right? So perspective shows the distance. So that's why I have drawn the trees at the distance, smaller in size, because they are at the distance, so they will be small in size. And the trees which were near, which were in foreground, they were a little bit bigger in size. Okay, so you can see that I'm showing little bit shades there, strokes for the ground, as I have shown this hilly area or snowy area. So what we have to show, very less effect of the black pen here. You can see that how I'm using the tip of the pen. That is very important, beta. You have to observe these things. Okay, like we used to do shading with the pencil, so that way only you have to do shading with this pen. And when it comes the turn of the strokes, then you have to use exactly the tip of the pen, right? So I feel that something should be here also. So what I'm doing is I'm making one more portion of that hill here, and then making those hatching and cross hatching shading. You can use this technique in portraits also, beta. Hatching, cross hatching, stippling. I'll be sharing stippling technique also. So here our full one composition is ready. And now outside also I want to show few strokes here. These strokes I'm showing for the purpose, that is, you please observe that how I'm handling this pen. I'm not holding it as if I'm writing, I'm holding it as if I'm shading with the pencil. So this way if we'll hold the pen, what will happen? The strokes will be very light. Okay. So similarly I have done here hatching, cross hatching, and then erased in the end. Please do practice. Thank you.